Welcome to another Goodwin English lesson. Today's lesson is another pronunciation lesson, and we are going to study the sound as in fool and the sound as in blue. Today's lesson is a beginner pronunciation lesson. We are going to talk about two different sounds. The first sound we are going to talk about is the sound, as in fool or sugar. The second sound we are going to talk about is the sound, like in blue or two. These two sounds can sound very similar. Some English speakers don't make a distinction between these two sounds, but don't worry too much. If you practice, you will have no problems. Before we start, we publish new videos almost every day, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to learn about our latest videos. Also, if my English is difficult for you, turn on the English subtitles, and it may help you understand a little more. First, we are going to go over the sound. The phoneme for this sound looks like this. This is a short sound. To make this sound, you're going to round your lips a little. Have the back of your tongue up a little and have your lips pushed forward just a little. Watch my mouth as I make this sound. Uh. Now, listen to the sound and repeat after me. Uh. Good. Now, let's try it with some words. Watch my mouth and repeat after me. Full, full. Sugar, sugar. Book, book. Good job. Next, we're going to talk about how this sound is often spelled. Usually, this sound will be spelled with a U, like this. Full, full. Or with a OO, like this. Foot, foot. Or a OU, like this. Wood, wood. Sometimes the spelling will be a little different. You might see this sound spelled with O, like this. Woman, woman. Now, let's practice making these sounds using different words. Please watch my mouth, listen, and repeat after me. Full, full. Foot, foot. wood, wood, woman, woman, book, book, sugar, sugar, now, let's practice making these sounds using different phrases. Please watch my mouth, listen, and repeat after me. Number 1. Who is that woman? Who is that woman? Number 2. His left foot. His left foot. Number 3. Her bag is full. Her bag is full. Number 4. A pound of sugar, please. A pound of sugar, please. Number 5. Where is my book? Where is my book? Good job. Next, we are going to learn the oo sound. This is a long sound. The phoneme for this sound looks like this. This sound is often used in words like shoe, food, or to. Let's take a look at how to make this sound. First, make your lips rounded like a tunnel. Then the back of your tongue is up and in the back of your mouth. Also, have your lips forward a little. Watch my mouth as I make this sound. Ooh. 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 Now, let's practice. Watch my mouth closely and repeat after me. Ooh. 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 Good job. Now, let's practice using some different words. Again, watch my mouth and repeat after me. Shoe. Shoe. Food. Food. Two. Two. Next, let's talk about how this sound can be spelled. There are many ways to spell this sound. Some common ways are OO, OU, OE, U, UE, or EW. Let's look at some examples. Food, group, shoe, June, blue, news. There are other ways to spell this as well. Look at these other examples. 2, fruit, juice. Let's practice saying these words. Watch my mouth and repeat after me. Food, group, shoe, June, blue, news, 2, fruit, juice. Now let's do some more practice. I want you to try to say these phrases. It's okay to pause the video if you need more time. Let's get started. Number 1. Fruit juice. Fruit juice. Number 2. Play the music. Play the music. Number 3. My new shoes. My new shoes. Number 4. Me too. Me too. Number 5. 42. 42. Number 6. Let's make groups. Let's make groups. Number 7. Black and blue. Black and blue. Okay guys, that is it for today's lesson. Don't forget that we have a part 2 to this lesson. Part 2 has a lot of practice and exercises that will help you use what you learned today. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot. And don't forget to push the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. I'm Randy League, and I will see you next time.